Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Teams Project Workspace, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type Microsoft Teams into the search bar. Click on the official Microsoft Teams link. Locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. Click the Sign In button. You will be directed to the Microsoft Sign In page. Enter your work or school email address. Click Next to proceed. Input your password in the designated field. Click Sign In to access your account. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps. After successful verification, you will be directed to the Microsoft Teams homepage. Locate the Teams tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Teams tab to view your project workspaces. Select the specific project workspace you want to access. You are now logged into your Microsoft Teams project workspace. Explore the features and channels available within your workspace. Utilize the chat, files, and meetings sections as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.